Meaning of détente.
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 Détente. Détente refers to a period of relaxation or easing of tensions between nations, specifically during the Cold War era between the Soviet Union and the United States. The term became popularized in the 1970s as the two superpowers attempted to decrease the risk of nuclear war through diplomatic agreements and arms control negotiations. The result of détente was a shift towards greater cooperation and communication between the two nations, leading to a decrease in military spending and ultimately easing global tensions.